What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Tiko. If you're not new here, welcome back. So clearly it has been a month, a full month since the last time, actually a bit more than a full month since the last time that I recorded and uploaded, but we are back. And today is the 1st of December. Hello, kitties. Hello, like what? If obviously, like what? As a South African, I know that December is a whole holiday on its own. Like it's its own little. The whole of December is. If you're South African, you know what I'm trying to say. But like, it's the festive season. But let's get into this video, okay? Like I said, it's the 1st of December. I don't know what time it is. I don't know. But I'm hungry. And I just for fat cakes. So that's what we're gonna make today, okay? So I'm gonna take you guys along with me when I go make them. Oh, excuse me. So let's go. So I'm ready to start now. I have my bowl. Okay, let me explain. I don't have to explain, but like it's Sunday, so it's my rest day from working out. Yes, I've been working out this whole time. Yeah. What about you? And what you gonna do? Nothing. So today is my rest day, and I'm gonna take it as a cheat day as well. So let's get started, okay? So I have my bowl and the spoon I'm gonna be mixing with. Then I need warm water, but mine is a bit more on the hot side. Some sugar, salt, flour, and yeast. So let's start. I'm gonna go in with my sugar first. I mean what? Flour. I don't measure, so don't even ask me for measurements. I just eyeball everything. Ducks. Some yeast. I'm not gonna use too much, maybe just half this thing, but I'm gonna use the spoon. Yeah, that's half of it. I don't know, sometimes I feel like I'm using too little. Okay, sugar, I just be putting sugar on. Yo! And then just a little bit of salt, yeah. Why is this salt giving it wet? Just a little bit. I'm gonna sprinkle that everywhere. And then I'm gonna mix it around. Let me show you guys before I mix it around. This is what it's looking like. So red. I'm just gonna mix it around. Crazy thing, while it was exam season, I was vlogging, right? But the vlogs were not making sense. I think it was because like I would vlog today and tomorrow, and then I'd skip like 3 days because I was writing, and then the vlog started not making sense at all. So I just deleted the footage completely, and I was like, you know what? I don't need to add more stress onto myself by vlogging while I write exams. Like, I don't need to do that. So, ow. Okay, I think I'm gonna need more water. So I'm just gonna, I made a little hole. Let me show you guys instead of just talking. I made a little hole. Let me pour this water in. I'm scared to pour it all in because, like, what if it's too wet? But then look at how much flour I have, so I'm kind of paranoid. Okay, let's add the rest. I'm probably gonna need more. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need more. This is too close. Okay. Yo, it's so hot now, and there's flies, and it pisses me off. I'm definitely gonna need more water, so hold on, y'all. Okay, I have the water. I'm avoiding using my hands to mix this. That's what I'm using a spoon, and it works most of the time because this is not the first time I make this. So. And then I'm gonna let this rise for an hour outside because it's very hot. It's quite hot today, so I can use the heat outside. Oh, what the heck is waiting? I don't want it to be like a hard dough. I want it to be kind of soft and stuff. Like this is too hard for me. So I'll put more water. And then while it's rising, I'm gonna clean my room. Well, it's not really dirty. I just have to open my curtains a bit and sweep if I feel like it, because my floors are not dirty. Okay, this is getting harder. Oh, there we go. This is what I'm going to be able to do. Mix it like this. And then after I do my bed and stuff, I have to clean the fridge. I want to clean the fridge. I don't have to. I'm not angry, but it's just I don't have to. I'm gonna clean the fridge afterwards. It's just empty. This is so hard. This is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna find something to cover it with. I don't know what. I'm gonna use a plate, I guess, because I don't want anything to get into it.
With you, shy with you.
It is covered. Now we're gonna take it outside.
I was about to go put up the whole bed with all of this stuff, but then it doesn't make sense for me to do that. So I'm just gonna put it in a pack.
Put it in a bag.
Tuesday when the bed goes, this goes too. Because she's so great.
Period. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put it on this mini braai stand. On this mini braai stand that I don't know where my dad got it, but I don't think the ants could get on here. Let me show. Ooh. This little braai stand here. Hold on, y'all. It is so hot. Yerp. Oh, the wind is blowing it. I think I'm gonna have to put a cup on top so that the wind doesn't blow the plate side to side, because it's a plastic plate. Yeah, let me do that. I kind of want to switch my room around again, but I'm not gonna do it now because, like, I'm still comfortable with this setting, but I just kind of want to switch it around already. But I'm gonna do that next year. Next year. I'm gonna do that next year.
What did you do? One.
Anyway, what's my neck? I cannot. No.
When I say do something, you must do.
Oh, my purse. Your purse. Okay, so this is the fridge. It's off right now. And clearly it has not been used for a while because it was, I don't know, it just wasn't cold anymore. So it had to go get repaired or whatever, but that took forever because it only got back today. I mean, it only got fixed. It only got fixed today. As you can see, there's grime everywhere. Oh my gosh. And it's yellowish here, like, and that broke. I don't know where the shelf side is. Like, I don't know. I'm just I am super duper tired. Like, okay, let me not even lie. I'm not that tired. I'm just tired of doing the fridge. Like, I'm so bored of it. But I have to finish it. And I'm gonna finish it by... Right now, I'm gonna wash the compartments that go inside the fridge and the freezer. And then I'm not gonna vlog that process because I can already feel myself being drained from just washing all of this. There's tons of it. There's some on there, and then there's others right here. Like, when is it gonna end? Like, I'm tired. And then after that, I have to fry. I have to do the guinas because the dough. It's been more than an hour. The alarm rang for the hour mark, and I was still busy with the fridge. So I'm gonna have to complete the fridge first, cause like it's not like the dough is gonna like die or something. So I'm just gonna do the fridge first, and then when I'm done with the fridge, I will do the food. So guys, I'm done with the fridge and I switched it on. And oh, I put this on top because I don't know where it goes. But this is how it's looking. Okay. Oh, it's rusting here. I don't even know. And then this is the freezer. The freezer is beat up. Like, it is beat up. Like, what? But this is what it looks like. I'm just so hungry. Yerp. And then oh I did this part as well, which I didn't show in the vlog, but everything's clean, squeaky clean, even though this is marks that are stuck on here, so I don't know. And this fridge used to be like this color all over. Now it's greenish at the bottom. It doesn't really show. Maybe if I go closer. Nah, it doesn't show, but I'm done with the fridge. And then my sister went on and made the fat cakes. So that's that. I was gonna vlog the whole process, but my sister did the work, so I guess not. Yeah. Good morning. Oh, it's not really in the morning. Why am I lying? It is literally 2 p.m. What was I doing the whole time? I literally just freshened up right now. Like, I didn't do nothing else the whole day. Excuse me, but I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat something. Last night, last night my mom made dumpling, rots. So I think I'm gonna eat that. Not with stew or anything. Like, I think I'm gonna put jam on it or butter. Jam or butter, I don't know. I have to work out, I think at 3 or 3:30, I don't know. One of them. And I have to clean my cupboard. I think I already said this in the last footage, last clips that you saw, that I said I was gonna clean my other cupboard, but I never ended up doing it. But anyways, got my milk, got my food. Why did I wake up so late today? Yo, I think I just wanted to take a break. Me after taking a break for the past so long. Like, hey y'all, so it is 5 p.m. and I am ready to work out now. Y'all see the sweat on my face? It don't make sense because my body is not even sweating. It's just my face. Yeah, I'm done. Now I gotta clean this dumbass cupboard because it has literally so much going on. I'm only cleaning the shelves. That's okay. Like, it's the tongue, you know? And at the bottom is just the suitcase. And that's it. Hold on, let me fix myself right now, y'all. Hold on. Anyways, I just washed my face. And already it doesn't even look like I washed it. But okay, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna shower at the end of the day. I'm gonna do my face. But I just ate a bunch of ice because it is so hot and my body needs to cool down, and ice is the only way that I like to cool down my body besides water. I don't want to take a cold shower. I'll shower later because right now I have to do my closet. So all I have to do is arrange the stuff. Like, it's not bad. The top is a bag of stuff clothes that we gonna donate. So let me get a bigger tripod. The top, I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm just gonna do these 3 shelves and that's it. So yeah, it's not even bad. Really, it's not bad. Let me get a bigger tripod. Okay, I'm back with a bigger tripod. Let's do this. Okay, this might be the one. Let me bring y'all closer though. So up here I have my socks, my underwear, and my deodorant and some hair products. Everything is mixed up. And then here it's clothes that I was lazy to fold and put away. Whatever, judge me if you want. Oh shoot, my friend's mom watches this. And then at the bottom, let's just get it started, okay? And my headphones, which so that I can have it on my desk. I don't want to like hang it anyway. I want to have it on my table. So I was gonna do Vlogmas now, but this is literally my first year of vlogging, so like I don't even know like how that would go for me, and I just don't feel ready for that yet. Like I don't have that much events in my life to even do a Vlogmas this December. So we'll try again next year, but for now. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here because I want to start another one right now. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching through to the end, even though I was mostly not even really talking. I was just busy the whole time. But thank you guys for being real and staying through to the end. I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog, and stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and be ready for another video.